So Tipton, well known for their gun cleaning stuff. I've got this exact same vise on my bench at home. I've got a ton of Tipton cleaning supplies at home. I love the stuff. And you've come up with a new, smart, easy solution that even guys like me will maybe clean my guns.
Maybe. Yeah, we know cleaning your firearm is a major pain point for a lot of firearms owners out there, but Tipton, we're here to make that as easy as possible. So we've got our new Nope ropes. So this is a barrel cleaning rope. Okay, we've got our normal high quality materials. We've got some bristles right here to really get it clean. These come in 9 different caliber options: rifle, pistol, shotgun.
Yep.
And 3 of those popular calibers, 9mm, 223, and 12 gauge, actually come in 2 packs. So you have one for your range bag,
Perfect.
one for your home bench.
Yep.
Perfect.
Great. And I see, like, there's a lot of pull-through devices out there on the market, but you guys have actually made a really smart solution, because on some of the smaller calibers, it's a pain to run this little brass fitting down the barrel, and you have to do it every time. But you guys fixed that.
Yeah, so we decided to fix that. You know, we want to make everything as convenient as possible. So we have this little bearing right here on the end that you were speaking of, but with ours, you can actually connect it to the other end of this rope. And what you do is, as soon as you feed that through once, you connect it, and it's continuous feed through for easy cleaning.
Pull it through several times, and you're done. So it makes gun cleaning really simple and really easy, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Well, I think the Nope rope's pretty dope.
We think so too.
All right, thanks, Emily.
Thank you.